Okay, so I'm going to try to do a more comprehensive flow through the application with both OAuths that we're utilizing or requesting. The first is just the sign up with Google. That one is complete and working just fine. So I'll choose my account, and then all we're asking for is name and profile and the email address in order to be able to sign in. That's all working great. So it'll sign me directly in and take me to my workflow here. Just a little onboarding wizard, which we'll run through really quickly. I'm going to skip these steps so that we can jump right into the other OAuth that we're requesting. So we'll go to the dashboard and come down here to connections. And this is where we're asking to be able to connect to their Tiller spreadsheet to be able to sync those transactions. So we'll say connect Google account. Again, select my account. Obviously, we haven't been verified, so I will go to Tally. So here's what we're asking for, basically. The only permission we're requesting is to see the Google spreadsheets. Obviously, this is what's saying hasn't been authorized yet. So I will go ahead and do that. So that is great. Now I will go over to my Tiller account, and I'm just going to copy this spreadsheet in total, come back into Tally, paste the spreadsheet, and save and connect. So now that spreadsheet is connected. And when I go to sync, it is going to go out to the spreadsheet and basically pull in all my accounts and transactions from that spreadsheet. This one's quite large, so it might take a second here, but I want to show you the complete flow through the system. We've got a little test connection button here too. I guess I could have done that instead. There's about 11,000 transactions, I think, in this spreadsheet, so it's kind of a big one. Sorry about the delay. I can set this to auto sync daily, which is generally what will happen, or it can happen manually with the sync now button. Also, they do have that sync failed. They do have the ability to drag and drop and upload that way. See if it imported. It did import transactions. It just hasn't done everything yet. So pulled in 5,400 transactions, probably a timeout because it was so long. So pulled in all these transactions and then allows the user basically to go through and categorize those transactions. So it's basically a budgeting app where they can go through and add in all of their income, expenses, assets, liabilities, create a new budget, and then see a forecast of their finances going out through whatever age they select. So that is the summary. We do give them the ability to log out and to disconnect their Tiller connection. So that'll go through and actually disconnect all of the Tiller connections and decommission the authorization. So they'd have to go through that process again if they wanted to reconnect and reauthorize the application to use Google again. So hopefully that gets you what you need. Please let me know if you need anything else. Thanks for your help.